all the big joint body political party when they inside this Obodo Naija don't wear boots ready to kick for the 2015 general elections. But the question we go ask here today, now whether we organ government, the Independent National Electoral Commission, when be INEC, the political party them and the good people of Nigeria don't ready for the elections. We don't see what happen for Anambra, Ekiti, and Osun State. This now time for us to sit down, discuss them as in the hot, whether Nigeria don't ready for the elections. My name na Wazobia, and I know they alone inside studio. I there with my brother, we sabi well as it take concern this talk matter.
Yeah, so our beautiful viewers when they watch us for house. The program now asks if they hot, and my name now Unkubi. Chukudi don't introduce the matter to now. Would they look how prepared are we for the next general election when they come up next year? Shall we don't prepare true? Shall our leaders don't prepare? Shall INEC don't they ready for us? Now be the question we they ask.
Well, it's good as we discuss this matter now. Some people go talk say, time never this, but why would they talk? But our people then they talk say, now from clap. We dey enter dance, and the earlier when we begin to talk about them, then we go know whether we don't ready. Remember, say you self join us on top of this matter. Our social media platforms they scroll on top of the screen. Una remember what happened last week when we discussed about for our last episode when we discussed about the Ebola virus and how everybody take agree say government don't try. Una fit still chook mouth on top of this one. Una fit still vote. Make una rush go our social media platforms. Unkubi, you don't talk, you don't, you know. But now, I want to make you tell me as you reason this matter as it take concern 2015 general elections.
Chukudi.
No, they call my name
Make
plenty.
I first ask you
this question. They ask question.
Shall we they prepared true?
We they prepared.
You sure say we they prepared?
We they ready.
Because from my own angle, everything still there shaky from my own eye. Because the question was they asked, we say, look, we don't they prepare for general election. She federal government don't ready to do it to give us a free and fair election. She INEC, Independent National Electoral Commission, don't they ready to give us a free and fair election? Now the question they ask, the people are not saying they don't ready, but she these people I don't mention, she they don't ready to give us better election.
Thank you very much. Victor and Mr. Questions. In the always they drop the questions. And una know me, I they capable and they always they answer them. But before we choke mouth on top of this matter, we go rush, enter market, go drink small water. So that when we come back, we go enter the cocoa of the matter. We they come back.
Yes, welcome back. The program now Ask If They Hot. And the topic we talk about today, now preparation for waiting for the next general election where they come up for Obodo Naija. How prepared are we? Chukudi, how prepared are we?
We are very, very prepared. You see, I dey like go back in history. They always they sweet me to go back in history. See, since we returned to democratic rule for 1999, we don't get about 5 general elections. 1999, 2003, 2007, 2011, and the one when they come for 2015. Now, one of the hallmark of all this election, I say, we they see what people they call electoral fraud, gangsterism, thuggery,
talk.
No,
they give grammar.
No, you see, talk. I come prepared, so not the verse if I begin the flow. So I don't know why you go the verse as I talk. Now I talk say electoral fraud and manipulation. That be the hallmark. Who be the people when we say that they perpetrate? I go speak English because it's in the paper. Who be the people when we say that they perpetrate this electoral fraud? Now people like you and me, because these people they don't want the good for this country. But the Independent National Electoral Commission, under the leadership of, listen, Professor Atahiru Jega, don't show us say yes. For inside this Obodo Naija, we fit get free and fair elections. And election observers, international election observers, don't come talk say Jega, you too much.
Chukudi.
And we fit get free and fair elections.
You don't state your own point.
I don't talk.
You don't state your own point.
Will not be on my point. 1 point.
For me, I still ask that same question. How ready are we?
You always ask
because
question.
wait.
You always ask question.
This topic.
Go straight to matter. Don't ask question.
The reason why they ask this question, we say, one, make we first look the recent elections where they don't pass by. First thing first, make we look the election where they hold for Anambra State in November 2013. How free and fair was that election?
Very free and fair.
We get cases of electoral malpractices. We get cases of missing names for people for this thing. We get cases of missing pictures. We get cases of political parties, they complain, say their logo, no day for waiting, no day for their paper, for the papers, for the electoral paper. So how prepared are we? As if that is not enough. Wait, as if that is not enough. Look, INEC, no even can say, ask them questions, say, okay, we know so we get on here, we get on wrong for Anambra State election, which they admitted to. Jega, as a matter of fact, admitted to this, that yes, they had shaky moments. But then, 6 months after, what can happen? The election for Ekiti can't take place. And what happened? What happened? Wait now, what happened? We still had the same malpractices. We still had the same rigging of election. We still had snatching of ballot papers. We still can't get a security officer.
Oga, you dey mention plenty. See, make a state point.
A security officer threatening.
Nothing concerning a security officer.
This matter dey so.
The question wey we dey ask Nigerian people today na whether the Independent National Electoral Commission, the government, the political party, and whether Nigerian people ready for the election.
Now be that. Now the result be that. That's the preparation. Now the readiness be that.
Remember, say I talk say I dey come from the historical perspective.
Yes.
I mentioned 99.
Historical, not the present. Not the present.
2007, 2011, and I dey mention 2015. People they snatch ballot box. Who they snatch ballot box? Now spirits they snatch this ballot box. These political parties then when they don't come tell us say I will do this for you, I will do that for you. Some of them now they see they do it. Now they see they I go speak English. Now they see they connive. Not they tell me say chukudi talk. See if they come and they vex me. Now they see they connive to perpetrate and they speak English. All these kind and yamayama things during elections. How you go blame INEC? INEC don't come out. Don't talk say Nigerian people we have made mistakes. You understand? See, now strong man I go come and talk say he go beat the chest say I don't make mistake. Under the leadership of Professor Maurice Iwu, we see what the elections happen for inside this country for 2011. But since Professor Atahiru Jega come, this man sabi book, this man read book, read the level when we say in they apply common sense inside this thing.
Chukudi.
Not they come and name if you want give your point, give your point.
Jega came out, go admit say yes, say the Anambra State election, say there were issues. Wait, and he had 6 good months. He didn't get 6 good months to correct those issues. For the next election,
and he correct the issues.
Where he correct them?
He correct the issues.
Where he correct the issues?
Correct the issues.
We still get the same similar cases where happen for Anambra, repeating itself for Ekiti State election. To the point where we say the former governor of Ekiti State, that is Fayemi, the governor of Fayemi that time, was being threatened by a mere security officer. When they asked the governor, so who are you? Mr. Governor, who are you? For a security officer, they asked Mr. Governor that kind of question. Now, if they say, look, things don't do on ground to make sure that election no go dey free and fair.
You know what I go let you understand.
Let me understand, you could.
If you dey mention say security officer, not be wetin we dey discuss. I go still carry us come back to the main thing we dey discuss. Nigerian people, make una help me.
Make una help me too.
No, they no dey help you.
Make una help me too. Now they see my part.
You won't confuse me, Nigerian people. Make una help me. Oh, it won't confuse me. Wetin we dey talk now? Whether Nigeria don ready for general elections? Not be matter of who threaten you. Not be who threaten you.
No.
Simple. You mentioned the governor wey just comot. Remember say e get I go speak English, one dynamic when they always dey happen for election. They hard to fit topple person when we say na incumbent person. But even the incumbent governor at the time, Kayode Fayemi come and talk say Ekiti people don't decide though, and if una talk say na Fayose una want, na Fayose una want. And Fayose don't so. But before we continue with this matter, we go rush enter market. Unkubi need air conditioner because him body the thing on the hot am. As I dey fire am inside studio, as e dey hot, we dey come back. Una welcome back to the Ogbonge program wey give you license to talk am as e dey be you for body as e dey hot. My name na Chukwudi. I no dey alone inside studio. I dey with my brother Nkubi. And wetin we dey discuss before we rush enter market na the 2015 general elections and whether Nigeria don ready for that election. as it take concern government, as it take concern INEC, as it take concern the politic party them, and me and you will be Nigerians.
Okay.
Who could be? You be
Yes,
the mention say somebody threatening governor.
Yes.
I don't beg
as a result of that,
say, no,
see,
wait,
they
no,
talk.
wait,
As a result of that, look,
wait.
Chukudi.
See, you know they see. I go speak English. Don't patronize me. You understand?
Chukudi,
No,
wait,
they
I
patronize-
drive my point.
Which point do they drive?
If INEC, as a body, we're supposed to do it, we're supposed to organize the election, make sure say everything be free and fair. No fee just organize a free and fair election in a single state. In a single state. Now, national election, where we say we go involve more states, they will feel handle well.
Thank you very much. INEC don't prove. I see under Professor Atayi
Where go
Ujega,
hold, where go take place simultaneously.
you ask question, you no gree me answer.
This election go take
you
place
ask question, you no gree me answer.
simultaneously.
Under Professor Atayi Ujega, INEC don't show us say that they're competent. Professor Atayi Ujega don't show us say he be man of integrity. You understand? He don't show us say yes, Nigerians, we can. Yes, we can, and we will do it. They measure, they talk. See, every election what they do for inside this country, different things don't happen. But for Anambra State,
Chukudi,
no,
Chukudi,
come on.
Wait. May I ask you one question? Wait. INEC, what is their responsibility?
You always ask questions.
Wait now, because now they drive my own point from.
They conduct elections. Independent National Electoral Commission.
Chukudi, go help me out.
Register voters.
INEC, as you know, supposed to be independent body.
Now, yes.
When nobody go, they define for. When nobody will give instructions,
yes.
They say, okay, now like this, I want make you do something.
Of course.
Bear in mind, say, okay, may I ask you this question? INEC, now then they register party. INEC, now then they fund party. Where INEC they get all this money from?
The government, the Electoral Act don't stipulate and say, now the government
where INEC they get all this money from? Where INEC go get money from? From the federal government.
Now heaven INEC go get money from.
And the federal government is the ruling party.
What do they? What I don't
so
understand.
what do they talk?
You they confuse yourself. I don't understand what you see. You know they come here they talk say one. See, make I take you back to Anambra State. Remember what I talk when we start? I talk say the power of incumbency. I dey speak English. Oh, what do you mean the power of incumbency? The power of incumbency na say the person when sit down on top, he no go because of say he don't sit down on top of government, he no go fit shake. Thank you very much. Even this ruling party when you just mentioned now, the People's Democratic Party, when we say that then they control the government for the center. The field candidate, that is, they get candidate when contest for Anambra elections. The man win, Abi he no win, he no win.
After
I win the election.
What happened?
Peter Obi hand over to Willie Obiano of the All Progressive Grand Alliance.
But wait.
Thank you very much.
Chukudi.
For Ekiti State, no, they tell me say make I wait. For Ekiti State, power of incumbency, who be governor? Kayode Fayemi of Action People's Congress. But even Kayode Fayemi come out to talk say, Ekiti people, una don't vote, and una don't vote for Fayose. Let it be so.
Chukudi,
so
now bring you back to Anambra way mentioned.
Even Raul Farenga for Osun State win election.
Now you don't talk.
So no, they come. No, they tell me say I don't talk. I know what they talk. And they talk my own. Which point you want to
make I state my own point. Look, you mentioned Anambra State election.
They do like this. What you they talk?
What you going to understand?
No, they use two points for me. This now see the hot. We they talk am as e be.
Anambra State election. Now the people they decide who go become governor.
Now the people go decide.
So the interest of the people should be met first.
INEC they respect the interest of the people. I no go let you know they do because if you come here you go to talk anyhow.
The interest of the people should be met first.
And INEC respect the interest. INEC respect the interest of the people.
Now the same people come and contact say too. Their names they missing.
Which people come out for Ekiti State?
The people of Anambra State.
Come out for Osun State.
The same people talk say.
You go come here and tell us of people.
Their names they missing. Their own pictures. Their own pictures they missing. So they tell me they tell me.
You go come here now, they talk, they do what
and
they
the
talk.
same political parties just supposed to contest free and fairly. But they talk say, look, their logos, their party logos, no they this thing. What you want to tell me? What do you mean free and fair there?
Different political parties.
What do you mean free and fair there? In the end, what's going to happen? We'll still see the same incumbent governor coming in.
Before Victor turn this thing into fight, because the way we don't talk, you don't
tell me that thing.
You don't point me, you don't want me. Before Victor turn this thing into fight, remember say we get the fireback segment where we go rush on top of our social media platforms for Facebook, for Twitter, and even on top of our website as they show on top of the screen now to vote. We go rush enter market. Victor go need small air conditioner because the thing they hot for him body. And when we come back, we will give una the result as una take talk about them. Make una no forget, say, as I talked earlier, on top of social media, una fit chook mouth on top of this matter, and we dey gather all of una votes. Remember the last time una talk, say government don't try to pursue Ebola comot for this country. Now make we go see all the things we una talk as it dey concern the 2015 general elections. We dey come back.
Welcome back, our people wey dey watch us for house right now. We don enter the fireback segment where una dey decide, wetin the matter wey we dey talk about. When I dey do it, when I go state una own mind on top of any topic wey we dey talk about. And for today's topic, na don state una mind. Chukudi, wetin you get to talk?
Well, our people wey dey for house, as we take talk, say the voice of the people na the voice of God.
Yes, tell them,
we
talk
respect
to them.
everything wey una talk.
Yes.
But sometimes e go good make una hear the talk finish before una decide say yes or no. 75% of the people wey vote.
Chukudi call that 75% well.
75% of the people wey vote on top of social media talk say the way when things dey. Say it be like say
Chukudi don dey stammer talk now. You don dey stammer. Chukudi just talk. When they argue this, we dey talk am well.
No, they tell me say make I don't think say 75% of people talk.
Now result don come out. Your mouth dey stutter. You dey stutter. You dey stammer. Tell them results.
75% of people wey vote, wey don vote for now, talk say INEC the way when things dey dey, INEC never ready, and 15% talk say INEC go still do something, and the other people they no vote at all. But wetin me I wan make Victor understand. No, they ask me, but I don't talk the result. No, they ask me question. I don't talk the result. Now we know say the voice of the people na the voice of God. But wetin we dey talk, we say e get wetin people dey call precedent. Make we check wetin happen
for this matter. Result don come out. Forget English. No, they come dey speak English. Take confuse the viewers. Viewers now they listen.
I know they confuse.
I don't let them take English confuse you now.
I know they confuse people. I dey speak the correct. I know they confuse people. Wetin I dey talk, we say Nigerian people, we need to believe in ourselves. Now INEC don show us say for Anambra State they fit do am, for Ekiti State dem fit do am, and for Osun State dem fit do am. If the governor wey dey there fit hand over to another person wey no be say na the ruling party as Nkubi dey claim, e show say INEC do their work. If the incumbent governor, the governor wey sit down there come and talk say Ekiti people don vote for so person and make the person win am, e mean say INEC dey do their work. And if Governor Rauf Aregbesola of Osun State fit win election where ruling party dey for center, e mean say INEC dey do their work. Make Nigerians believe say elections go happen well.
See,
no dey control me, no dey control me.
You mention Anambra State as if Anambra State election dey so free, no hitch.
International observers talk am say dey free and fair.
Well, me and you know say yes, each is day, problem day. Ekiti State election, each is day. Chukudi, right now, who need air condition for me and you?
Now you need air condition. Now you need air condition.
Look, make we no dey talk this matter as if we dey chop yam with bone dey inside. We don't talk out, we don't see results.
It depends on wetin they use cook the yam. If they use fish, if they boil fish with the yam,
forget matter. The voice of the people is the voice of God. The people have spoken. The people don't express their mind as this thing be.
But I want to make the people understand, say, for this country, INEC don't try. INEC they try, and INEC go still try.
They need to improve more. Make them
elections
go improve more.
And we go do
make them go tighten their belt well strong. Make them go tighten and stronger.
Professor Atahiru Jega don't read book well. The man sabi book. The man understand how it be. INEC don't do so many things. They won't even introduce more polling units so that Nigerians go free vote. Even the permanent voters card don't ready make Nigerians collect. All these things now wait to use stop all the wuru-wuru.
INEC some people they do for elections. We get flaws. It can't be national election involve more states.
Anambra election.
Which assurance won't give me say national election go hold next step, go there free and fair.
INEC don't prepare.
They don't prepare. When they don't prepare for one single state.
Our Nigerian people when they house, when they watch me, I know say many of una still they vote. And I know say by the time when we gather the vote again on top of our social media, that's Facebook, Twitter, and even our website, many of una go don't agree with my point. Say we don't ready for the 2015 general elections. Make una remember, say this program give you license to talk am as they be you for body.
Yes, so
make sure say you come, put your mouth for this matter. I know they talk too much. I don't talk all my points, and I know say when we begin to calculate the point again on top of social media, it go show say una they vote well. Victor.
Chukudi. No, just no. Our viewers, once again, I want to thank you for na contribution for this topic. And then for this program as well, make na continue to they stick to as it they hot. That Ogbonge program we go give na the things of issues, political matters will affect us as it be and as it they hot.
No, they want people for.
So until carry and Ogbonge matter come na way.
Our Nigerian people make una remember say una dey on top of una Ogbonge television station, Wazobia TV for Star Times channel 195. Remember, as Victor don't talk, this program, give you license to talk am as e dey be you for body. As I dey discuss am as e dey hot, and Nkubi dey talk am as e dey hot. Una sef fit chook mouth on top of social media, Facebook, Twitter, and our website. E dey scroll on top of the television and make una know as una go take put mouth for inside this matter. Until we come again next week, make una remember say Nigeria and our country, e no go spoil if two of us work to make sure say this country better, our country go better.
Yes,
we go see una when we come back again.
Yes.